Hi there, welcome back. Today we are going to install OpenTofu inside our Kubernetes cluster inside our Proxmox server. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. We have provided a link down below. Please have a look down below for the link. In our Proxmox server, we've created a K3s master, and we have worker nodes as well to make up our Kubernetes cluster. We'll start by creating a tofu folder inside our OPT folder. And we opened up the OpenTofu folder. We will start by updating our Ubuntu apt update. And now we will do apt install 3. In this section in our blog are the instructions for what we are going to do. So the first thing we want to do is to call and pull down the OpenTofu install file. We run this command. Now we should find the file there. We need to make it executable. You can make it -x. I'm going to make it 775 in tab. And let's see. It's now executable. Now let's see what they gave us. So this is the shell script that we downloaded. This is fine. We need to run the installation file with this parameter here so that it can do a Debian Ubuntu installation. Okay, let's see if Tofu is successfully installed. And it is. We are now going to demonstrate the Tofu commands, which are similar to Terraform commands. We first need to create a file called main.tf. And go to the instructions and copy this whole thing here. Copy, paste. Control S to save, Control X to exit. Now we will type tofu init init. This is like Terraform init. And we have a successful initialization. Let's see what we got. And you can see there's a .terraform file there, and there's a log file here. These are just backup files, so ignore these two. There's our main file. After you ran Terraform init, you would run Terraform plan. Well, in this case, Tofu plan. And because I don't have another TF file, it will tell us there's nothing to do. You'll see that here. No changes. Now we are going to create a file called namespace, namespace.tf. What we want to do is we want to use Terraform to create a namespace inside our Kubernetes cluster. So let's do that. Nano namespace.tf. In our instructions, here is the section that we are interested in now. So we've created the namespace file. Now we need to put this whole content into that editor. Copy, paste, and then save it. Control S, Control X. So now if we say tofu plan, it'll tell us that there's infrastructure as code defined. You will see what it says. Let's run tofu plan again. And it now describes what it's going to create. It's telling us that it's going to create. And it's talking about a namespace. It's actually pulling in the Terraform file that we added. So we are now ready to do a Terraform apply. Let's clear the screen and type tofu apply, not Terraform apply. And it's asking us to enter a value. The answer to that question is yes. Now, if we go to our Kubernetes cluster and we do a kubectl get names, we should find a new name. And let's see what it was called. So let's go now and look at that in the Kubernetes cluster. And there it is, Terraform example namespace. And it said it created it 44 seconds ago. So this is what we just did. Kubernetes comes with a describe option that allows us to get descriptions of objects. So the command is kubectl describe namespace, and we actually need to use the correct namespace. So let's pick it up out of here. And there we are. And you can see from the metadata name, that is what we have. If we go back and look inside here, we've specified the name here. This was a very simple example. We wanted to demonstrate tofu, but at the same time, we wanted to demonstrate this with the Kubernetes cluster where we got Terraform, and in this case tofu, OpenTofu, to manage a Kubernetes cluster for us. We trust you found this video interesting. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. If you tell us what language you speak, we'll greet you in your own language. And with that we say, baie dankie, tot ziens. Grazie mille, ami, ciao. Jesus in Agerfe. Auf Wiedersehen, mein Freund. Domo arigato, tomodachi, sayonara.